Happy 70th birthday, Pat. I hope that when I am turning 70 that I am half as awesome as you are and have had half an impact on this world as what you have had in your 70 years because you truly are something special and you're just a very cool, wonderful woman and I feel extremely lucky that I get to work so closely with you and we have a lot of fun and a lot of laughs. But truly, I learn from you a lot, and I still continue to learn from you almost every day. And I appreciate your insight, and I appreciate everything that you've done for me and everything you do for the shelter and all the dogs and cats of Marl. You truly are something special, Pat, and we all love you very much. And oh, and we've come a very long way since I came in to interview with you and Kayla. And I was so nervous because I really loved Marl and I so wanted to be a part of the Marl team. And I took my coat off and you looked at me and said, "Good God, are you pregnant again?" You totally said that to me, Pat. And after that, I was so nervous that I gave you the wrong due date when you asked me when I was due. And I appreciate you looking past both of those things and giving me a chance because it truly has been my pleasure to work with you. I love you, Pat.